Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. So, we are learning our second chapter, integral calculus 1. Okay. In our last class, we have started integration by parts and we have completed 2 examples. Am I right? And I gave one homeworks for you. I hope you all completed. That is exercise 2.5 first problem. I gave homework for you. I hope you all completed. Okay. So now let's start from example 2.27. I'm writing the question. Evaluate integral of x cube log x dx. Okay children, I hope you all learned all the formulas. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So in our last class I explained ilaters. So first we need to write the ilate here. So here two functions are there. X cube is one function, log x is one function. So from the ilate you need to choose u and dv first. Okay. So x cube is an arithmetic function, L is an logarithmic function. Okay. So logarithmic function will come first. Am I right? So when you are taking u, you need to take log x first. Okay. So I am putting the tabular column here. Solution. So what is the u value? U equal to log x you need to take. Same as that. When you are taking dv, what you need to take? X cube. Am I right? Okay. So now I said in your last class, if it is x cube or x power something is there means you can use Bernoulli's formula. That only very easy for you is. So if you are willing to use that one, you can use that one. No problem at all. Otherwise you can do as it is. Okay. So first I am going to differentiate du equal to, what is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x dx. This one already you have learned. Then what is the, when you are integrating, what will happen? Integrate here. Integrating time, dv will change as v. This one x power n, is it right? X power n means what's the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x power 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 4. Have we got it? Okay. So now we can substitute in the formula. That is x cube log x dx is equal to integral of u into dv. That is equal to, what's the formula you have learned already? That is uv minus integral of v du. Okay. That is equal to, what is the u value, ma'am? What's the u value? Log x. Then what's the v value? Into x power 4 divided by 4 minus integral of, what's the v value? X power 4. Is it right? So x power 4 divided by 4. What's the du value? Into 1 by x. Okay. That is equal to, we can cancel this and this one. Correct? Now what will happen? X power 4 divided by 4 log x minus, shall I take the constant outside? 1 by 4. So what's the balance? X cube dx. X cube dx. That's equal to x power 4 divided by 4 log x minus 1 by 4 into, what is the integration of x power 3? X power n plus 1, is it right? So x power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Okay. So what is common for both? Shall we take x power 4 divided by 4 outside? So what's the balance? Log x minus 1 by 4 plus c. This is answer. Understand? Same thing you can use in Bernoulli's formula also. If you are using in Bernoulli's formula, already I taught you, is it right? So in this problem, if you are doing Bernoulli's formula for differentiating this one, you will feel somewhat difficult. Y means u dash, you will do directly 1 by x. Then afterwards 1 by x, if you need to differentiate means it will be somewhat difficult, is it right? So because of that I used this formula. Okay, so according to your convenience you can use both the formulas. Whatever we are using means also no problem, both also same answer you will obtain. Understand students? I hope you got good idea. Okay, so here one more example is there, two more examples are there, we will do it now. Okay, let's move to next example. 2.28. Evaluate integral of log x the whole square dx. What's the question? Integral of log x the whole square dx. Okay, first what we need to put? We need to find by using isolate. Okay, here log x is one of the function, then one more function is dx, is it right? So here what will come first? L, is it right? Logarithmic, so it will come first. This one dx means it's an arithmetic function, so it will come as. So first you put the tabular column for that. Solution. So what is u? U equal to log x the whole square. Okay, then what about dv? dv equal to dx. So now you differentiate this one. Differentiation of log x the whole square. Last year you have learned is, so what is the differentiation? 2 log x into, what's the differentiation of log x? 1 by x dx. Now you will have a doubt. Why ma'am you are putting like this? Log x for the differentiation is 1 by x alone only, no? Like that you will have some doubt, yes? So no ma, here it is log x the whole square. So when you are differentiating, what will happen? 2 log x, that is 2 is the power. So 2 log x into the differentiation of log x. Yes, I explained, okay, last year. So now if you are integrating dx, what will happen? V equal to x. Okay, now you got. Now you are going to substitute in the formula. Shall we substitute in the formula? Substitute in the formula. So what's the formula? Carefully you need to do integral of log x the whole square into dx is equal to integral of u into dv. That's equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, that is equal to, what's the u value here? Log x the whole square. What's the v value here? X, is it right? So x into log x the whole square minus, what's the integral of v value? V value is integral of v. V is x, is it right? So integral of v du, correct? So that one you need to substitute here. Again we are going to write the v value. What is the v value? X, is it right? So x into, what's the du value? 2 log x into 1 by x dx. Okay, so what are the terms will get cancelled? X and x. So that is equal to x into log x the whole square minus 2 is a constant. Shall we outside? 2 into log x dx. Listen here very carefully children. You need to find out again by using isolate. Why? What's the reason? We'll have a doubt. Why you are putting isolate again? Here again two functions. Okay, I will clear your doubt first. Here again two function. Yes or no? Log x is one function, dx is one function. So you need to put again isolate. For your easiest understanding, I am giving the notes like this. Okay, again you are going to put the isolate here for this. So here one logarithmic function, one arithmetic function. So what's the u value here? U is log x, dv is dx. Why? Have you understand? Integration inside again two function. So du what's the value? 1 by x dx. dv, v integrating equal to x. Now we are going to substitute this value here again. Okay, that's equal to x into log x the whole square minus 2 into, again you substitute the formula uv minus integral of v du. Okay, that's equal to x into log x the whole square minus 2 into, what's the u value here? Log x. What's the v value here? X. Minus, what's the x value? V value here? X. What is du? 1 by x. Okay, so x and x will get cancelled. So that's equal to x into log x the whole square minus 2 into x log x minus what's the integration of dx? What's the integration of dx? X plus c. Okay, that's equal to, that is x into log x the whole square minus, multiply with 2x log x minus into minus plus 2x plus c. Okay, this is the integration constant to put it outside. That's equal to x into, shall we take x outside? So what will happen? Log x the whole square minus 2 log x plus 2 plus c. Okay, so you can simplify again, that is x into log x the whole square. What already I said, the formula for a log m, is it right? So log a power m, that is log x square. We will bring that to power plus 2 plus c. This is the required answer. You will get, you will afraid, is it right when you are seeing? Okay, so to avoid your confusion, shall I repeat it again? Okay, log x the whole square dx, so u into dv. Okay, so using that formula I substituted. So when you are checking it again, integration inside, again two functions, so you need to use again highlight here. Okay, for this one I substituted the formula. Afterwards, finally up to here you will do. Afterwards what I did here, I changed that as a power. That is, this formula you have learned already. I said this, right? So 2 log x I can change this log x square. Okay, log a power m is equal to m log a. Have you learned? If you need, you can write, that is log a power m is equal to m log a. You have learned already. This one I used here. Understand, children? I hope you got good idea. Okay, let's move to the next example. Last example, that is example 2.29. I'm writing the question. Evaluate integral of x square minus 2x plus 5 into e power minus x dx. Listen here, ma. This problem, if you are using Bernoulli's theorem, it will be very easy. Why means this one for differentiation it will be easy. Okay, according to that you can choose it. So first write highlight. What will come first in the highlight? A arithmetic function, e is the exponential function. So this is u, this is v. Okay, so first you can draw the tableau. What is u? U equal to x square minus 2x plus 5. Okay. V, dv, what's the value? dv equal to e power minus x. So shall we use Bernoulli's theorem here? Then only it will be easy for you. That, sorry, Bernoulli's formula we will use here. For that you need u dash, is it right? So u dash means what will happen? 2x minus 2. Then u double dash means what will happen? 2 alone. Then again u triple dash means what will happen? If you need, you can find u triple dash. What will happen? It will become 0. So for that, for us no need. Okay. Now v equal to, v means one time if you are differentiating time, what will happen? I said this, it right? E power minus x divided by minus 1, that minus. Then again when you are differentiating, v1 means what will happen? This minus, minus of minus you will get, so e power minus x. Then again when you are integrating, what will happen? Minus e power minus x. This like alternatively it will be going on. Okay, so now we can substitute in that formula. Okay, what's the formula you have learned in the last class? So integration of x square minus 2x plus 5 into e power minus x dx. Okay, so what's the formula? Integral of u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. Okay, then that is equal to, what is the u value? X square minus 2x plus 5. Then what's the v value? V value minus e power minus x. Okay, then minus, again next value, u dash value 2x minus 2. Then u2 value e power minus x. Then again plus 2 into e power minus x plus, sorry, minus, okay, plus c. Okay, shall we simplify this one? So simplifying time, multiply with this. So minus e power minus x square. Then minus into minus plus e power minus x 2x. Then minus 5 e power minus x. Then minus e power minus x 2x. Then minus into minus plus 2 e power minus x. Minus 2 e power minus x plus c. Okay. So whatever the terms will get cancelled, you can cancel. What are the terms will get cancelled? Plus e power this one. Then this one will get cancelled. This term and this term. What's the balance? Minus e power minus x minus x square minus 5 e power minus x plus c. What's the common? Shall we take e power minus x outside? So minus x square minus 5 plus c. This is answer. Okay, have you got it? Very easy if you are using the Bernoulli's formula here. Otherwise no problem. I said that udv formula, that also you can apply. Okay, according to your willingness you can use both the formula. For both the formulas you will get the same answers. Okay, let's move to the exercise question. Okay, exercise first problem I gave a home assignment for you. I hope you all completed. So let's start from problem number 2. Okay, then so today homework I am giving first for you. You take down the homework today. So homework is fourth problem. Okay, so I am giving the homework. So homework is exercise 2.5 problem number 4. X log x. Lidu, x is one of the arithmetic function. Log x is logarithmic function. Lidu, it's very easy, you can do. Okay, so now exercise 2.5 problem number 2. Question is integrate x cube e power 3x. Listen here. Solution. First what will we put? We will put I late. Is it right? I late means here one arithmetic function, one exponential. So arithmetic function will come first. So integral of x cube e power 3x you need to do. For that first you draw the tabular column. Shall we use Bernoulli's formula here? Then only it will be easy for you. For that I am taking the u value as x cube dv equal to e power 3x. So first u dash how much will get? 3x square. Then u double dash how much will get? 3 into 2 6x. Then u triple dash how much will get? 6. Enough. Then v1 is it right? So v first you need to do. V how much will get? E power 3x divided by the coefficient. This and all you learned already. Then v1 how much will get? E power 3x divided by 3, already it's there. Again one more coefficient you will get. Is it right? So e power 3x divided by 9. Then v2 how much will get? E power 3x divided by 9 into 3. So how much? 27. If you are finding v3, how much will get? E power 3x divided by 3 into 27. So 3 into 27 means you will get as 18. Got it? Okay. So this and all the thing you have learned already. So now we are going to substitute in the formula. What's the formula? U dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. Substitute ma, x cube into e power 3x by 3 minus u dash means 3x square into v1 means e power 3x divided by 9. Then u double dash means 6x into e power 3x divided by 27 minus 6 into e power 3x divided by 81 plus c. Okay. Is there any terms you can cancel? You can cancel. This is 3. Okay. So here it will be 2. It will be 9. Again if you are cancelling, this will be 2. This will be 27. Write the remaining. That is x cube e power 3x divided by 3 minus x square e power 3x divided by 3 plus 2 e power 3x divided by 9 minus 2 e power 3x divided by 27 plus c. So what's the common here? e power 3x by, we can take outside. So what's the balance? X cube by 3 minus x square by 3 plus 2x by 9. Here on x we missed, x is there, okay. 2x by 9 minus 2 by 27. Got it? This is a required answer. Understand, children? So if you need that formula, you can use that. Okay, so here you want to be very careful. Here e power 3x, okay, x for one coefficient is there. So when you are integrating, you need to multiply by the coefficient. Is it right? In the denominator? Okay, this one already you know. That one you don't forget. Understand, children? Okay, let's move to the next question. Problem number 3. Okay. Number 3. Question is integration of log x dx. What are the two functions here? Log and dx. Is it right? So isolate. In isolate, what will come first? L. Log dx arithmetic function. Is it right? So draw the tabular column. Okay. U equal to log x. So du how much will get? 1 by x dx. So dv equal to how much? dx. So v equal to x. Substitute in the formula. Integral of u dv equal to uv minus integral of v du. That is equal to log x into x minus integral of v. Is it right? Integral of x into du means 1 by x dx. This and this will get cancelled. That is equal to x log x minus, what's the integral of dx? X plus c. So that is equal to x, you can take common, log x minus 1 plus c. This is a required answer. Very easy. Is it right? Okay. Then problem number 4 I gave homework for you. Now let's move to problem number 5. Okay. Problem number 5. Question is x power n log x. Okay. So what is the, according to isolate, what will come first? Arithmetic function. One logarithmic function is there. So logarithmic function will come first. Okay. So draw the tabular column first. Take u equal to log x. Differentiate du equal to 1 by x dx. dv equal to how much? X power n. So v equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Substitute in the formula. U dv equal to uv minus v integral of v du. That is equal to log x into v value x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus integral of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 du value is 1 by x dx. That is equal to log x into x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 is a constant, you can take outside. Okay. So what's the balance? X power n plus 1 into 1 by x dx. Keep it in mind, n plus 1 is a constant, because of that I took outside. That is n for, if you are substituting any number, you will get one number. Is it right? So log x into x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Shall we bring this 2 up? So what will happen? X power n plus 1, this will become minus 1 dx. Okay, so this and this will get cancelled. That's equal to log x into x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 integral of x power n. What is the value? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus. Okay, so what's the common? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is a common. So what's the balance? Log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus. This is the answer. Understand? Okay, very easy. Okay. Finally, one more question is there. That problem is somewhat different. Okay, so you want to listen very carefully, then only you can do that question. That is problem number 6. Okay, I am writing the question x power 5 e power x square. Because of that it is somewhat difficult. Okay, so now first what we are going to do is I am going to rewrite this as first. Okay, first we are going to rewrite this. How I am going to rewrite is, listen, before when you are applying ILATE, we need to change it as a power of x square, then only it will be easy. The reason is e power x square is there, so x power 5 also you need to make it in a form of x square. So I am going to split this x power 5 as x square into x square into x. Shall I split like that? Yes, into e power x square dx. Okay, now I am going to take t as x square. So if I am taking t as x square means what's the value of dt? 2x dx. Am I right? If t is equal to x square means dt equal to 2x dx. Is it right? So now we are going to substitute here. So in the place of x square you need to put t. So t into x value. Is it right? So from this if we need to take x value, so what will happen? X dx. Is it right? So in the place of dt, 2x dx is there as, okay, listen, this x and dx together I am going to write as x and dx together. Okay, so x dx will come. Before that e power x square means e power t into x dx. Okay, that is equal to integral of t into e power t into, from this if you are finding x dx value, what will happen? Dt by 2. Okay, I am going to substitute here. That is dt by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 is common, so you can take outside. That is t into t is t square into e power t dt. Okay, so now we can use by using ILATE. Understand, children? For me, first you need to rewrite like this, afterwards you can apply. So first what I did, x power 5 e power x square, so I rewrite that particular as e power x square is there. So in square is there, because of that I changed x power 5 as x square. Okay, then I take a t as x square and dt as 2x dx. From that I have substituted up to here. So now uv minus integral of v du is a formula, that is equal to, I am going to substitute here, that is 1 by 2 into t square e power t. Okay, so this is arithmetic function, this is exponential, so u equal to t square, dv equal to e power t. Okay, so this one when you are integrating also you will get e power t. So if you are this one, how much you will get? 2t dt. Okay, so uv, yes, minus integral of e power t, v, is it right? Du, what's the value? 2t dt. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2 into t square e power t minus, again you need to use ILATE. Why here? Again 2, yes, so we are going to use again ILATE, that is uv minus integral of v du. That is equal to 1 by 2 into t square e power t minus uv. Is it right? So uv. So again ILATE means what will happen? Here again ILATE. Okay. Again ILATE. So what will happen? U equal to 2t. This is exponential, so it will come last. E power t dt. Okay. So what will happen? Du equal to 2 dt, v equal to e power t. So we are going to substitute here. Substitute now. 2t e power t minus integral of e power t 2 dt. That is equal to 1 by 2 into t square e power t minus 2t e power t, minus into minus plus, is it right? 2 e power t. What's it? So 2 e power t, is it right? Plus c. That is equal to half into, shall we take e power t outside? So t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c. Now you need to apply the t value here. T equal to x square, is it right? So you need to apply the value here. So half into e power x square. So t square means x square the whole square minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. That is equal to half into e power x square. x square x power 4 minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. Understand? This is all. Okay children, I hope you got some idea. So x square x into e power x square, first you changed, then t equal to x square dt equal to then 2x dx you will get, then afterwards t e power t x dx. Okay, so afterwards using isolate you need to made it, and afterwards what he did, so afterwards finally won't forget, last when you are before writing the answer in the place of t you need to substitute the t value there. Okay children, this section fully over. I hope you all got good idea. So from in the next class we will start our next section, integration by substitution or change a variable method. We will start in the next class. I will meet you again in the next class students. Don't forget to do only one problem I gave the homework, learn everything. We will meet in the next class.